Kidz Kit. Hi kids, today we are going to learn grammar with the fun fill in the blank game. Are you ready? Let's begin. And blank to school. Go, goes, a going. The correct answer is and goes to school. Tom blank a ball. Play, plays or played. The correct answer is Tom plays a ball. They blank happy. Is R-O-M. The correct answer is they are happy. She blank a book. Read, reads or reading. The correct answer is she reads a book. I blank a student. Am, is or are. The correct answer is I am a student. The cat blank on the mat. Sit, sits or sitting. The correct answer is the cat sits on the mat. We blank English. Learn, learns or learning. The correct answer is we learn English. He blank milk every day. Drink, drinks or drinking. The correct answer is he drinks milk every day. The boys blank football. Play, plays or playing. The correct answer is the boys play football. My mother blank food. Cook, cooks or cooking. The correct answer is my mother cooks food. Great job kids! Today we learn how to choose the correct verb for singular and plural subjects. Remember, a singular subject, one person or thing, usually takes a verb with S in the present simple. Example, he plays and goes. A plural subject, more than one, uses the base verb. Example, they play, we go. Keep practicing and you will become great at English grammar.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.